When it comes to desktop PC builds, you'll find all sorts these days. Ranging from cute boba-themed PCs to desktop setups mimicking Chinese porcelain motifs. There seems to be no limit to what people can come up with to make a rig seem as unique as possible. But we bet you haven't seen a gaming PC that can breathe. At the latest Consumer Electronics Show, CES, computer company CyberPower PC revealed an astonishing PC tower case featuring front vents that seemingly breathe in and out while turned on. Called Kinetic, the case prototype showed off 18 mechanical front vents that automatically open and close based on how much air intake the system needs. The alien-looking case works by relying on internal sensors that tell it the temperature, and then opens and closes the triangle-shaped vents accordingly. Image. CyberPower PC. So if the PC is on idle, or even just performing very minute tasks such as web browsing or checking emails, the front vents remain closed. But once heavier loads kick in, like playing demanding games, the temperature climbs and the vents come alive. This solution provides a couple of benefits. First, fan noise is reduced most of the time, and only escalates once the PC requires more air for cooling, and secondly, having closed vents most of the time also lessens the overall intake of dust into the case. Image. CyberPower PC. Rather than simply adding more airflow, we wanted a case that dynamically provided the appropriate airflow for the situation in real time, said CyberPower PC's creative director Nam Hoang. Additionally, the triangular air vents work in a smart manner, taking inspiration from kinetic architecture, a new wave of design where buildings contain elements that move and change based on certain needs without affecting structural integrity. In this case, each vent can open and close on an individual level, and can adjust how wide or narrow it opens based on single-degree temperature changes. Image. CyberPower PC. It senses the environment and is constantly contracting and expanding to adapt to the situation with micro-adjustments, Hoang said. Our Kinetic series is not about maximum airflow, but intelligent airflow. While many will be sure to want the Kinetic case for their next custom PC build, CyberPower PC intends to sell it as fully built systems first, before selling the chassis in its own sometime in the future. Read more life stories. Revisiting the iPhone launch keynote, 15 years on. The 5 best work from home tech upgrades at CES 2022. This 3-wheeled electric car that mines cryptocurrency is apparently real. Cover image sourced from CyberPower PC.